The cabin air filter in your 2018 Tesla Model 3 is crucial for maintaining clean air inside your car. It traps dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants, improving air quality and protecting your HVAC system. Tesla recommends replacing it every 2 years or 25,000 miles. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of panel removal and filter swap. Before you start, gather the necessary tools: a flathead screwdriver or plastic trim tool, gloves, and a new cabin air filter with Tesla part number 1DEL42672-0A or a compatible third-party filter. Park your Model 3 on a flat surface, turn off the car, and open the hood. Make sure the area is well ventilated to avoid inhaling dust from the old filter. The cabin air filter housing is located under the hood near the front of the vehicle on the passenger side. Identify the underhood trim panel near the front wheel well. Use your trim tool to carefully pry off the plastic clips securing the panel. There are typically 4 to 6 clips. Gently pull the trim panel away to expose the filter housing. It's a black plastic box with a hinged or snapped lid. Be careful not to damage the clips, as they can break easily. Replacement clips are available if needed. With the housing exposed, carefully open the filter housing by unsnapping or unhinging the lid. This plastic lid is typically secured with simple clips that can be released by hand or with gentle pressure. Now remove the old cabin air filter by pulling it straight out of the housing. Grasp the edges firmly and pull gently but steadily to avoid tearing the filter material. As you remove the filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrows printed on it. These arrows indicate which way air flows through the filter and ensure proper installation of the new one in the same orientation. Be prepared for some dust and debris to fall out as you remove the old filter. This is normal and indicates the filter has been doing its job. Work in a well-ventilated area and consider wearing gloves to avoid inhaling particles. With the old filter removed, it's time to install the new cabin air filter. The filter housing should now be open and ready. Take your new cabin air filter. Notice the airflow direction arrows printed on the filter frame. These arrows must point toward the cabin to ensure proper filtration. Insert the new filter into the housing. Slide it in smoothly, making sure the edges align with the housing walls. Ensure the filter is seated correctly all the way into the housing. Press firmly but gently around the edges to eliminate any air gaps that could cause leaks. Double-check the installation. Verify that the filter fits snugly within the housing without any movement. Confirm the airflow arrows are correctly oriented toward the cabin. This prevents air leaks and ensures optimal performance. First, securely close the filter housing lid by snapping or hinging it back into place. Make sure it's properly sealed to prevent air leaks. Next, reattach the underhood trim panel by carefully pressing the plastic clips back into their original positions. Work your way around the panel to ensure all clips are secure. Now, gently close the vehicle's hood, ensuring it latches securely. Finally, start your Tesla and test the HVAC system. Turn on the air conditioning or heating and confirm that you have proper airflow and that the cabin air smells fresh. Regularly replacing your cabin air filter is essential for maintaining good air quality inside your Tesla Model 3 and ensuring the longevity of your HVAC system. Experts recommend changing the filter proactively every 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. This schedule helps prevent dust and allergens from building up. The benefits include better cabin air quality, which can reduce allergy risks by up to 30% according to EPA data, and extending the life of your HVAC components. Looking ahead, Tesla may introduce over-the-air notifications that alert you when it's time for a filter change, making maintenance even easier. Consider upgrading to HEPA-grade filters for enhanced filtration that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, available in higher trim models. Future developments may include advanced diagnostics in the vehicle's menu that monitor filter status and prompt replacements automatically. Industry trends point toward more sustainable and efficient filtration systems, with projections of 15% annual growth in EV maintenance parts by 2030. Technical illustrations show how the pleated filter design with separators and adhesive bonds provides effective filtration throughout the system. The cabin air filter works within the broader HVAC system, protecting components like the evaporator coil and blower motor from debris.